Are you tired of staring at charts like this, completely overwhelmed and guessing where the market is going next? What if you could instantly see the exact levels where massive pools of buyers and sellers are waiting to make their move? Today, I'm going to show you a powerful TradingView indicator that does just that. We're talking about the multi-time frame supply and demand zones indicator by Flux charts. Stick with me, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to install it, a simple strategy to trade with it, and then I'll reveal my secret trick to filter out the bad trades and seriously boost your accuracy. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and tap that like button. It really helps the channel. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, let's get this tool onto your chart. Head over to TradingView, click on the Indicators tab at the top. In the search bar, just type MTF Supply and Demand Zones. You want this one right here, by Flux Charts. I'll also leave a direct link in the description below to make it super easy for you. Click it, and your chart now has these colored boxes. It's simple, green boxes. These are demand zones. Think of this as a floor, where buyers are stepping in, pushing the price up. Red boxes. These are supply zones. This is a ceiling, where sellers are taking control, pushing the price down. See those little dots? Those mark retests of the zone, which can be powerful confirmation signals. But more on that later. Okay, now that we have the zones, how do we actually trade with them? Let's walk through a perfect sell trade example. The strategy has 3 simple steps. Step 1. We need to see the price enter a red supply zone. This is our alert that sellers might be taking over. Step 2. We don't just jump in. We wait for a candle to close below the supply zone. This is our confirmation that the sellers are winning the fight. Step 3. For our final confirmation, we want the very next candle to be bearish, a red candle. This shows momentum is on our side. All 3 conditions are met. So, we enter our sell trade right here. For risk management, we place our stop loss just above the high of the supply zone, and we aim for a target of a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. Now, let's see how this trade plays out. And, boom, a perfect takedown. The market hits our target. Simple, right? The same logic works for a buy trade, just in reverse. We look for the price to enter a green demand zone, wait for a candle to close above it, get a bullish confirmation candle, and set our stop loss just below the zone. Okay, that basic strategy is solid. But what if we could make it even more reliable? How do we avoid those fake outs where the price just barely reacts to a zone and then reverses? The secret is volume. We want to see if there are actually big players behind these moves. Go back to your indicators and this time search for volume and add the standard one that comes with TradingView. Now our chart is supercharged. Here's the new rule we're adding to our checklist. For a buy signal, we want to see that the bullish green volume is higher than the recent bearish volume. It shows buyers are serious. For a sell signal, we want to see that the bearish red volume is dominating. It confirms the sellers have power. Let's look at another sell signal, but this time with our volume filter. Price enters the supply zone. Check. Candle closes below the zone. Check. We get a bearish confirmation candle. Check. The new rule. Now we look down at our volume. And look at that. The red selling volume is significantly higher than the green buying volume. That's the high probability confirmation we were looking for. We take this trade with confidence, and as you can see, it was another fantastic win. Now, I want to be 100% transparent with you. No strategy is perfect. Look at this setup here. We have our zone, our close, our confirmation, and even the volume looked okay. We enter the trade, and it hits our stop loss. And that is perfectly okay. I want you to see this because losses are a part of trading. The goal isn't to win every single trade. The goal is to have a system where your wins are bigger than your losses, and this strategy helps you do exactly that. Now let's backtest this indicator. And see the results. So there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to use the MTF supply and demand indicator, supercharged with volume to help you find high probability trading setups. Now, I have a question for you. What's your favorite indicator to combine with supply and demand? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found any value in this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next strategy I share. Remember, this is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, so always do your own research and never risk more than you're willing to lose. Thanks for watching and happy trading. I'll see you in the next one.